Hola everyone, let's talk about this amazing vitamin C brightening serum with bakuchi oil and hyaluronate. It is an amazing anti-aging serum that uses ingredients like kakadu plum, vitamin C oil concentrate and bakuchi oil to smooth fine lines and wrinkles whilst adding radiance and luminosity. Let's not forget our botanical oil blend and hyaluronic acid give an instant moisture surge because hydrated skin is also glowing skin, everyone, as we know. How do you use this amazing product? You of course want to use it on thoroughly cleansed and toned skin, and then you want to take some of the product up through the pipette, and you're going to use just 2 to 3 drops of the serum on clean skin. So just take it, dab it on like so, and I like to press serum into the skin. It just allows it to really absorb really well, so evenly distribute it, pressing it into the skin. Now you can use this serum on its own as your daily moisturizer, or you can use it with our vitamin C brightening day creme over the top, or any of our day cremes. You can also use this at night underneath your facial oils as well. But whatever way you use it, it's sure to give you smoother, brighter, really glowing skin. I see a difference already.